Hello, I'm Chicks from the Manager, and you're welcome to our channel. If you've ever needed to modify the color of internal or external links on your website or posts, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to change link color for various states of the link in the WordPress site. So keep watching. Alright, we're about to learn how to change link color in WordPress. But why would you want to change link color in WordPress website or post? One reason you may want to change link color is aesthetics and branding. You may want the colors to look nice and fit with the style of your brand. Another reason is for clarity. You may also desire the colors of your link to stand out and look different from the rest of your text. Finally, you may want to make your affiliate links stand out if you are into affiliate marketing. That's another good reason you might want to change the color of links on your pages in WordPress. So having seen these reasons, let's now see how we can change link color in WordPress. In WordPress, you change link color through the appearance section of your dashboard. So here we are on our dashboard. Go down to appearance and pick customize. On your customized page, you open up the additional CSS section. In this section, we'll enter the CSS codes we use in changing link colors. So let's open the sample posts we'll be using for our practice. You can see that this post has a number of links and they are formatted to blue with an underline. The first state we will change is the normal state of the link. This normal state is the initial state of the link before we hover over it or click on it. As you can see right now, the current state is blue. To change the color of the link in this state, we enter the following code. This code instructs WordPress to change the normal state color of the links on this page to green. And you can see that is what we now have on the page. The links are now green in color. The next link state we will modify is the hover state. This is how the link will interact when the user hovers over it with the mouse. Right now, when we hover over it, you can see that it changes from green to blue. Well, how can we control or change that color that it changes to? To do so, we'll use another CSS code. And this is the code we're using right now. This code instructs WordPress to change the color of the link to orange when the mouse moves over the link. And you can see that happening right now. You can also change the color of the link after the user clicks to visit the destination. What this means is that when the user clicks to visit the link and comes back to the same page, the color of the link will change to indicate that link has already been visited. So to change this color, we use the following CSS code. So now when we click on the link, we'll see that it's neither green or orange, but is now blue. So those are the three states we said we are going to learn. After applying the CSS codes, you click publish to save. So now when we go and preview our edits, we'll find that our links have been modified according to our instruction. An additional tip for this video is how to change the color of a particular link on a page. So for example, we changed the color of all the links to green. What if we want to use a particular link as a call to action and we want it to stand out from the rest of the links on the page? How can we change the color of that particular link? We do that on the post edit page. So right here is our post edit page, and let's say we want to use this for our example. So the first step is to click on the link that you want to change its color. When it's highlighted, you go to the block tab on the right side of the page. You go to the color section and click on the color option. You will enable the link color option. From this link color option, you can now change the color of that particular link that is highlighted. And you can see immediately that the color of that link is modified. To save this, you click on Update. So now let's preview the change we just made. We'll see that our link is now red and is different from the rest of the links on the page. So there you have it. You now know how to change the color of links in your WordPress site, whether individually or collectively. Go ahead and put this to practice on your website. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video if you enjoyed it and share with others. Till next time, cheers.